What's up, y'all? Quick story time. So a young lady that I had dealings with, or was dating, whatever you want to categorize it as, was coming over to the crib, right? And so I was feeling a little hungry. So I asked her, I was like, hey, can you, grab me food? I'm hungry and I don't want to leave the crib. She said, oh, sure. If you pay for it, I'll pick it up. So then I asked, wait, do I have to pay for it in order for you to bring me food? She said yes, because if I pay for it, it puts me in my masculine energy.
Well, go on, people, welcome back to Basic Principles. So today, we have a man sharing his story of dating a woman who wouldn't buy him food for $20. Boy, guys really have it rough out here, man. But before we get to that video, how long have you been single? Have you been single since 2020, 2021, 2022, and ending 2023 single too? Well, at least you still got your friends, right?
You have 1 month from today to show us who you are going to marry. You must produce a girl that you will marry. If you do not get married in the next 1 month, you are what we are going to banish you. Yes, one family will disown you.
Oh snap. Guys, have your friends been talking to you crazy like this? Man, it is rough out here for singles, especially singles with no one on speed dial. But don't worry, guys, 2024 will probably be your year. But at least you do not have to deal with this, right?
My wife, y'all, I'm telling you, she's trying to get rid of me. I got a cabinet right here that I keep all my spices and everything that I cook with in it. And she don't eat breakfast, but every morning I like to use a little olive oil and cook me a little omelet up, and I eat it. And this morning I'm standing here cooking, and she comes through and she says, well, there that is. I wondered what happened to that. And I said, what happened to what? She said, my olive oil hair sheen spray. Y'all, I have been cooking my eggs in hairspray for 2 weeks, and it's took her this long to come hunting it. Granted, I put it up there when we put the groceries up. But my teeth's probably gonna fall out. My hair's gonna fall out. I'm gonna look like a snaggletooth Kojak. I gotta go call poison control.
See, guys, riding solo doesn't seem too bad after that one, right? Plus, when you're single, you can get your money up. And you know, women have a sixth sense to tell when a guy has his money up.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56. Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56. Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56. Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.
Dude, it was a joke. No, it was a joke.
Dude, I mean, all those
Dad.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56. Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
Alright, peeps. Now I'm gonna wait no longer. It's story time.
What's up, y'all? Quick story time. So a young lady that I had dealings with, or was dating, whatever you want to categorize it as, was coming over to the crib, right? And so I was feeling a little hungry. So I asked her, I was like, hey, can you, grab me food? I'm hungry and I don't want to leave the crib. She said, oh, sure. If you pay for it, I'll pick it up. So then I asked, wait, do I have to pay for it in order for you to bring me food? She said yes, because if I pay for it, it puts me in my masculine energy. Wait, so we've been dating for a little while and you can't bring me food? $20? Unless I pay for it? And to me, don't get it wrong, I was not mad at all. She still came over. I went and got my own food and everything. But it did make me look at her different. Because to me, that's a character flaw. Because if you only have the capacity to do something for me under the condition that it's reciprocated, or that like I pay for it, that means it's not genuine, it's not in your heart. And to me, that doesn't work because I'm the opposite. I hold those doors for you on those dates because it's in my heart. I pay for everything when you're with me because it's on my heart. I book your plane ticket because it's in my heart. I am not one to keep score. And so if you can't bring somebody that you've been talking to, dating, a $20 meal because that puts you in your masculine, major red flag. And then I posted about it on my Instagram story, and one young lady was like, well, I would have done the same thing if we're not exclusive. Exclusive? Baby, we're talking about a $20 meal. I didn't ask you to go to the grocery store, cook, fill out my refrigerator. I asked if you could bring me food. Because we ain't got to be exclusive for me to pay for your nails, huh? We ain't got to be exclusive for me to hold all of these doors and bring you flowers. But we got to be exclusive for you to bring me a $20 meal. It's sad, man, and I think that's why we have the dating problems and trouble we have now, because nobody is moving just genuinely. Everybody is keeping score, and this attitude that, like, I'm not doing X, Y, and Z if he's not doing this for me or she's not doing this for me. And unfortunately, I just don't move like that. I've never had. If you are hungry and I have it, you are fed. Simple. Whether I like you or not. Now, if I like you, it's a bonus. But it's in my heart to be this way. But I would love to hear y'all thoughts on this situation. Ladies, is she justified? Is she right? Fellas, what y'all?
Nah, man. She's not justified at all. I always hear women say that the dating pool have piss in it. But the truth is, some of those same women piss in the pool. Imagine, you got a guy who would spend on you, but you refuse to spend on him? That's crazy. Then to say if you pay, that would put you in your masculine energy, just to justify that you don't want to spend $20 on food? That's a silly excuse. Anyway guys, let's check out these comments. So the first comment here says, with some laughing emoji, grabbing some food and spending $20 on a man you've been dating is going to put you in your masculine energy? These podcasts are frying her brain. And I would have to agree. Someone else replied to that comment. $20 gives masculine energy? Girl, shut up. Just say no, I don't want to do it. So we have another comment here saying, she just broke, bro. $20 ain't shh. Someone else replied to that comment. It is giving broke, cause that's crazy and such are lazy. Someone else replied, it's giving she's not that into you. Another comment here says, because some women are getting mentored by social media and not real women. Another comment says, social media gonna keep people single forever. Another comment says, if we are dating, I'm asking, are you hungry? For I'm on my way. You won't even need to tell me you're hungry. Someone else replied to her and says, not much females think like that. Another comment says, a woman who actually likes you won't hesitate to open her wallet. I don't know how men keep running into these penny pinching joints. Another commenter says, $20 sis? Babe, if you're broke, just say it. Someone else added, does anyone else think she's just broke? Another person says, if she likes you, she's gonna get it without you asking. And I would agree. Someone else commented that turned into a thread. No more gender conversation in 2024. Someone else added, exactly, I'm tired of these soft, whiny stories. Everybody got different preferences. Someone else replied, it's only a war now that we have microphones. Think about that for a minute. Guys, to be honest, in 2024, conversation like this will never end. But the truth is, men and women are similar but fundamentally different by nature. And it is this nature that's continuously clashing while we have these conversations over and over. But still, conversation like this is actually good once it's done in a healthy way. Guys, let me know what you think about that story. Was the woman justified? I know you probably have a lot to say, unlike this guy right here.
Can I get an hold on. Can I get hold on. I don't know.
Anyway guys, that is it. Thank you for watching the video to this point. Please subscribe to the channel for more reaction videos and cheating stories from Reddit and Dear Pastor. This is my first time making a long form reaction video. So please, if you like the video, hit the like button and let me know what you think about the video. And while you're down there, check out this playlist with some interesting stories. Or check out this other playlist and get some laughs in. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Love.